Hello, good afternoon Canada. It's me Luella from Boyle, Alberta, originally from Philippines. It's Sunday today in Canada. It's a church day. So I'll show you our church in Boyle in our town. It's GCC Gateway Church, Community Church in Boyle. A little about me. I am a restaurant owner in our lovely town here of Boyle. I also a online digital business owner. Me and my husband run a restaurant business in town. Like to run this business is not that easy because you need all your time, efforts to maintain the good service, the excellent cooking, and stability of your business. And came across, I saw an ads from online, just like what you watching me today, and asked a friend of mine also introduced me this one to know if this business is fit for you too, and just don't hesitate to approach me to reach me out to learn more about this business. So when you click my website, it brings to another web that you will key in your name and your email address, and you can watch the free webinar, the replay, or the live. So there's any cost until you decide to do the business too. And if you have to register as well, there's 30 days refundable if you think that this business is not for you. So guys, be inspired, be encouraged to look at what kind of business that I am sharing with you. Maybe this is the one, this is also your dream that you dream long ago that you want to fulfill, but you didn't know where to start it. So hope to see you inside. Start your own business online now. So yun lang po mga kabayan. If you want freedom and a fulfillment, then try to look at this business that I am sharing with you guys. There's no pressure, guys. Just look at it and see. If you want to decide, you want to take action, it's all up to you. It's in your hands to take action, to decide about it.